Ever reached the end of a project and realized the quality just didn't meet expectations? It's frustrating, right? You followed the plan, but somewhere along the way, quality got overlooked. This can be a project manager's worst nightmare, especially in the execution phase when the pressure is on. But here's the good news. Today, I'm going to share how to ensure quality control during the execution phase so that your projects are not only completed on time but also meet high standards. Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Chair, your go-to channel for all things project management. If this is your first time here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our step-by-step guides, tips, and strategies to make your projects run smoothly. Whether you're new to project management or a seasoned professional, this channel is packed with content that will help you excel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that can make or break your project: quality control during the execution phase. How to ensure quality control during the execution phase? As a project manager, the execution phase is where everything comes to life, tasks are being completed, deliverables are taking shape, and teams are actively working. But this is also the phase where quality can slip through the cracks if you're not careful. So, how do you ensure that quality remains a top priority without slowing down progress? The answer lies in an effective quality control process. Quality control isn't just about checking the final product. It's a continuous process that should be built into every phase of execution, ensuring that what you deliver meets the standards outlined from the start. Today, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to ensure quality control during project execution. Step-by-step guide to ensuring quality control during execution. Step 1. Define quality standards early on. The foundation of quality control starts well before the execution phase. It begins with clearly defining quality standards at the start of the project. These standards should be specific, measurable, and aligned with client expectations. Make sure these standards are included in the project plan and clearly communicated to your team. Why is this important? If your team doesn't know what quality means for this particular project, it's impossible to meet those standards. Define exactly what success looks like. Are you aiming for 100% accuracy in data entry? A flawless user interface? Whatever it is, it needs to be measurable. Pro tip: establish quality standards with input from stakeholders and the team to ensure everyone is on the same page. Step 2. Integrate quality checks into daily processes. Once quality standards are set, the next step is to integrate quality checks into your daily processes. Waiting until the end of a project to review quality often leads to costly rework and delays. Instead, build quality reviews into your day-to-day workflows. One way to do this is through regular quality control meetings or task reviews. Make sure your team members are responsible for checking their own work against the established standards before submitting it for review. Additionally, peer reviews can help catch errors or inconsistencies early on. Tools like Trello, Asana, or Jira can be used to assign quality review tasks and track progress, ensuring quality checks aren't overlooked. If you find these tips useful so far, make sure to hit the like button and share this video with your team. Ensuring quality in the execution phase takes effort, but it pays off in the long run. Step 3. Use quality metrics and KPIs to monitor progress. Quality control needs to be measurable, which is where quality metrics and KPIs come in. Set specific metrics that will allow you to monitor quality in real time. For example, you could track 1. Defect rates, 2. Customer satisfaction scores, 3. Rework frequency, 4. Compliance with standards. Tracking these metrics gives you a clear view of how the project is progressing in terms of quality and helps you identify areas that need improvement. Pro tip: set up automated reporting tools to generate daily or weekly reports on your project's quality metrics. This allows you to act quickly if things start slipping. Step 4. Encourage open communication and feedback. Quality is everyone's responsibility, and one of the best ways to ensure it is through open communication. Encourage your team to provide feedback on potential quality issues and suggest improvements. Create a culture where it's okay to speak up if someone sees a quality issue, even if it's a minor one. One effective way to foster this is by holding regular check-in meetings where team members can share their concerns or suggestions for improving quality. This keeps small problems from becoming big issues later on. Step 5. Conduct regular quality audits. Finally, it's essential to audit the project's quality regularly. These audits can be formal or informal, but they should happen at various stages of the execution phase, not just at the end. Regular audits ensure that standards are being met throughout the process, not just at the final review. Consider using internal quality auditors or external consultants to provide an objective view of whether the project is meeting quality expectations. Quiz time. Now that we've covered some key points on how to ensure quality control during the execution phase, let's test your understanding with a couple of quick quiz questions. Question 1. What's the first step in ensuring quality control during project execution? A. Conduct a final review at the end. B. Define quality standards early on. C. Skip quality checks to save time. D. Delegate quality control to one team member. Let's take a quick pause here. Go ahead and drop your answer in the comments. A, B, C, or D. Correct answer. B. Define quality standards early on. Question 2. What should you use to monitor quality during the execution phase? A. Intuition. B. Quality metrics and KPIs. C. Guesswork. D. Random sampling at the end of the project. Let's take a quick pause here. Go ahead and drop your answer in the comments. A, B, C, or D. Correct answer. B. Quality metrics and KPIs. How did you do on the quiz? Let me know in the comments. And if you're learning something valuable today, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more project management tips and guides. Best practices for quality control. Here are a few additional best practices to keep in mind as you manage quality during the execution phase. 1. Make quality everyone's job. Ensure that each team member understands their role in maintaining quality. When everyone takes responsibility, you minimize the chances of defects slipping through the cracks. 2. Document everything. Keep detailed records of quality reviews, audits, and feedback for future reference. Well-documented processes help ensure consistency and provide a paper trail for any future audits or reviews. 3. Invest in training. Sometimes, quality issues arise due to a lack of training. Ensure your team has the knowledge and skills needed to meet the project's quality standards. Regular training sessions can boost quality awareness. 4. Establish a clear quality assurance plan. Develop and follow a quality assurance plan that outlines when and how quality checks will be performed throughout the project. This keeps the team aligned and ensures that quality control is an ongoing effort. 5. Set realistic quality standards. While high standards are important, setting unrealistic goals can demotivate the team or lead to rushed work. Set achievable yet challenging standards that align with the project's scope and timeline. 6. Use checklists to avoid mistakes. Checklists are a simple but effective tool for ensuring no steps are missed during key processes. Create checklists for each phase of the project to maintain consistency and prevent errors. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's go over some common mistakes you should avoid when it comes to ensuring quality control. 1. Waiting until the last minute to check quality. Quality checks need to happen continuously, not just at the end. 2. Not involving stakeholders in defining quality standards. If stakeholders aren't involved, their expectations might not be met. 3. Ignoring minor quality issues. Small issues can snowball into bigger problems if left unchecked. If this guide on ensuring quality control during the execution phase helped you, hit the like button, share this video with your team, and be sure to subscribe to Next Chair so you don't miss out on more tips and strategies to improve your project management game. To sum it up, quality control isn't something that happens by accident. It requires careful planning, ongoing monitoring, and continuous improvement. By implementing these steps and avoiding common mistakes, you'll not only deliver your project on time but also ensure it meets or exceeds quality expectations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.